We had lost two superstars that you were actually hanging out that came out of your camp here. We're talking about Tenor Saw and Nicodemus. Where were you when each of them had died, or you had heard that each of them had passed away?
No, well, with like Tenor Saw, when I hear that Tenor Saw pass away, I drive for 2.5 days. Got to the house that Tenor Saw was staying in Houston, Texas.
Yeah.
And to what I really hear and know of, when I got to the house, and that sound named Cultural Roots, take him from New York, Mango Dread, and me and Mango attack and ask him, Mango, I said, boy, I bury him there, and him leave one day. And from that, him not come back, and him I try to find him all about. Him go everywhere, and can't find Tenor Saw. Him don't know what happened. But here what happened now, Tenor Saw didn't have an ID.
Got you.
So him there at the dead house, because them say like car lick him down and kill him on a highway. Him cross the highway and car lick him down and kill him. But through them not have nothing upon him, them can't know his who.
Yeah.
So him ask him sister, say, them are Rasta, we have them long hair, and them not really like, Rasta not supposed to look at death, dead body. So him say, him ask him sister for go around at the dead house, go check. Him say, Tenor Saw. She tell me that, she said, Burro, the first something the man draw out, a Tenor Saw that lie down in there. So that's how we lose Tenor Saw.
Yeah.
You know? Well, Demus now, well, sometimes I can't even say a man kill himself, because no man know when I feel time, as them that said, no man know the minute nor the hour when your time come, you know? So it's like, I'm sick, you know?
That's okay.
Yeah, he might have diabetes mixed with ulcer.
Okay.
And the doctor stop him from drink. Bobby Conda's coming to Jamaica to check me. Him say, when him come down, him said to me, say, Burro, you know, so before I go up on the plane this morning, I and Demus go on party. I carry him home, well messed up. And the day we just get back the car, say, Demus dead. Yeah, because he wasn't supposed to be drinking.
Yeah.
Doctor stop him from drinking, you know? So him go, I just say, you know? And rest in peace, rest your soul.
For sure.
But he was one of the greatest.
For sure.
Ever DJ and a sound.
For sure. I agree 1,000%.
And the truth, what I love with that DJ is the only DJ I never say get excited over a forward yet.
Okay.
Never. When him get the biggest forward, him just take out him rag, or him kerchief, wipe him face. And like him asking if you're ready again now, anything by the #1 champion son of the whole wide world. Yeah, him that. You know?
Yeah.
He never get excited over a forward. He always want the crowd to calm down, let him gone again.
Yeah.
And I always admire him with that. And the truth, one of the steadiest man ever DJ. You get me? The next thing what I bring to the DJ world, a thing named clean. Suit.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I'm Mr. Naturalist, that, you know. Mr. Fabulous. Believe it.
Yeah.
The man, the double-breasted suit, it make for him. Yeah, man. And Mr. Naturalist, a DJ, you know, I'm double-breasted. But I always say, them suit they make for you, boy. Good that next man. Believe me.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.